Hello my dear students, welcome you all in online class. Today is the third revision class of your chapter number 1 Science Food. Where does it comes from? So students, as you have already learned the main categories of animal on the basis of their food habit, beside these three like herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, there are other animals such as parasites, scavenger and decomposers. Now we will see what are these and why they are called such organisms as parasites, scavenger and decomposer. Okay, so let's begin. Now first is parasite. So the parasites are the animal which live on or in other animals' body to obtain nutrients from their body. You can see in the below picture, ticks are present in the hairs or furs of some animals like dog. They are actually reside or live in them in their body and obtain nutrients and obtain or suck something body fluids like blood from their body for their nutrients. So they fulfill their nutrients by obtaining nutrients from the host body. Here host is the dog and tick is the parasite. So the animals which live on or in other animals body and to obtain nutrients from their body. Such for example, not only ticks, bacteria, virus, tick, flea, then lice, these also are examples of parasites. Okay. Next is scavenger. So what is scavengers? They are actually the animals which are mainly feed on dead animals or plants. So the animals such as vultures which feed on dead animals and plant. You can see the picture. Here the vultures are feeding the dead animals and by this way they are cleaning our environment. Okay, so they are called scavenger. Next is decomposers. So decomposers, what is decomposer? Decomposer means actually who are breaking something. So decomposers are the animals such as bacteria which decomposes or breaks down complex organic material such as dead plants and animals and waste material etc. into simple organic substance in the form of iron and nitrogen. This material goes into the soil and becomes available for plants as nutrients. Actually what they do, some bacteria which are actually decomposers, they are actually breaking down so many organic materials which are already present in our environment such as dead plants, dead animals. So when they are already present and just unused, then they decompose them or break down them. They are actually organic matters, so they break down them into simple inorganic matter. Inorganic matter means that is non-animate, means there is no living things is present in there. So that's why they are becoming inorganic, and in inorganic substance there is absence of carbon. You have to remember one thing, that in organic substance carbon is present and in inorganic substance carbon is absent. So they are breaking down this organic material into simple inorganic substances such as iron and nitrogen, and these inorganic substances that are mixed with the soil day by day. So when these inorganic substances like iron and nitrogen they are available in soil, so these nutrients are actually taken by the plants that are grown on the soil. So these inorganic substances are just increasing the growth of plants and also the increase the fertility of the soil which are grown on that plants. So these inorganic substances become the nutrients of these plants. So now you see how decomposition takes place. So decomposers means who breaks down, and the process by which they are decomposing these substances, this process is called decomposition. So how decomposition takes place, let's see. Okay, here you can see bacteria, dead plants, dead animals. So bacteria, that are very microscopic organisms that are present in our environment, they are decomposing, or they are breaking down the dead plants and dead animals which are present in our environment. And when they are decomposing, actually dead plants or dead animals, their main content is organic, and they are decomposing them into inorganic substances. This transformation is done by those bacteria or decomposers, and when they made it into inorganic form in soil, so the inorganic substances that is totally mixed with the soil day by day, and that are inorganic substances are actually mixed with the soil in the form of nitrogen and iron, and that become the nutrients of the plants. So from there the plants getting nutrients, nitrogen and iron, these are very essential for growth of plants. So these are the essential, these become the essential nitrogen, essential nutrients like nitrogen and iron for the plants. Okay, so by this way the decomposition process takes place. If you have any problem regarding this decomposition, just ask me in the portal, I will help you. Okay, I hope you understood this, the other three categories of animals such as parasites, scavengers and decomposers. So students, stay at your home, stay safe, and thank you. Okay.